Haji Jamaluddin, puppies for sale. A farmer had some puppies he needed to sell. He painted a sign advertising the pups and set about nailing it to the post on the edge of his yard. As he was driving the last nail into the post, he felt a tug on his overalls. He looked down in the eyes of a little boy. "Mister," he said, "I want to buy one of your puppies." "Well," said the farmer, as he rubbed the sweat off the back of his neck, "these puppies come from fine parents and cost a good deal of money." The boy dropped his head for a moment. Then, reaching deep into his pocket, he pulled out a handful of change and held it up to the farmer. "I've got 39 cents. Is that enough to take a look?" "Sure," said the farmer. And with that, he let out a whistle. "Here, Dolly," he called. Out from the dog house and down the ramp ran Dolly, followed by 4 little balls of fur. The little boy pressed his face against the fence. His eye danced with delight. As the dogs made their way to the fence, the little boy noticed something else stirring inside the dog house. Slowly, another little ball appeared, one which was noticeably smaller. Down the ramp it slid. Then, in one somewhat awkward manner, the little pup began hobbling towards the others, doing its best to catch up.
Okay, thank you.